Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for compliance tracking. So sit tight and let's get started. First up, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the Workspaces section. Here you will create a new board dedicated to compliance tracking. This helps us because having a separate board makes it easier to track, manage, and report compliance tasks separately from other tasks. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. Click on New, select Board, and then choose Blank Board. Label this board as Compliance Tracking. The reason we do this is to start fresh with a clean slate, giving you the flexibility to customize your board according to your specific compliance requirements. Next up, begin adding your compliance tasks. Click on Add Item, input the task name, and assign it to a team member. Repeat this for all compliance-related tasks. This step is crucial as it enables you to delegate tasks effectively and ensure each team member knows their responsibilities. Once you've listed all tasks, it's time to add status columns for each task. This will allow you to track the progress of each task. Click on Add Column, select Status, and then customize the status options as per your needs. For example, Not Started, In Progress, Completed. This helps us because it allows for real-time tracking and updates of each task, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's add a due date column. Click on Add Column again, select Date, and assign due dates for each task. This is important to keep everyone on track and ensure compliance tasks are completed on time. Finally, utilize the automation feature to set reminders for upcoming due dates and status updates. To do this, click on Automate, select When a date arrives, notify someone, and choose your preferred settings. Let me explain why this matters. Automation saves time and reduces the risk of missing important deadlines. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Monday.com board for compliance tracking. Keep in mind that this is a flexible tool, so feel free to adjust and adapt as your compliance needs evolve. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.